Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by today. So today we are going to be doing another look. with the Kimchi Chic Mojito palette. Whoops, plastic's falling out. This is what she looks like. I did obviously do the first look yesterday where I stuck to the screen shimmer in the eyelid, and it looked really pretty. I was really impressed with it. And I used Teal Dream and I used Sour Pop. Today I want to stick to these yellows here. I don't know if I'm going to mix it that one with that one. I want to see what Yellow Diamond looks like all over the lid, so I don't know if I'm going to use that one as well, because it might take away from some of the sparkle. So first though, let's go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar, and I'll use the white chocolate shade as always. Making a pretty good dip on this now. I do find though when you hit pan on a shade, you do get through it relatively quick. What's that on my face? So I'm hoping by January, which is when that palette will end, I'm hoping I will have at least finished this shade. Okay, so that's that palette done with. So let's get my brush. Speaking of brushes, I cleaned quite a lot yesterday. I cleaned, if you're on Instagram you'll know by now, but I cleaned all these brushes here. I counted it out and I've got like 153 eyeshadow brushes. I mean, come on, who has 153 eyeshadow brushes? But they're all the ones that I've cleaned. And like my Morphe brushes that I've been using continuously since I got them and just colour switching them off, I'm going to clean those tonight with a few other of my favourite ones. So yeah, I mean, I can only do a bit at a time when I've got that many brushes, but I've not blended that bronzer out well at all. Thought it was a piece of my hair. But yeah, I'm going to be doing some more brush cleaning tonight, I think. Sorry about this, you literally can't take me anywhere. This is what I mean, I always use this brush for blending if I've gone OTT with bronzer. Okay, so just need to make sure I've got all of the colour off this Morphe brush. These are really good brushes, guys. I want to get another set of these. Really good. You get 4 for £12. Yeah, I got them for £10.20 in the sale, and they normally retail for £12, so it's like £3 a brush, so it's really worth it. I'm going to go in with Limoncello. I don't know how this is going to work out, because that looks hell bright, and it's looking bright on the brush. Look how bright it's looking. Yeah, it's very bright. But I'm only doing laundry today, so we can wear bright eyeshadow around the house. And there really is only this matte yellow in the palette, so I think I'll just be sticking to 2 shades. All the others are green. So yeah, I was pretty impressed with myself that I started the eyeshadow brush cleaning in the bathroom, and they've been there ages. I don't even know how long they've been. all my older brushes are in there, and I just keep looking at them and I'm thinking, you know, they need to be cleaned. But I'm not the best when it comes to cleaning brushes. I find it such a chore. I mean, I'm thinking about getting one of those brush cleaners that does it all for you, but that's kind of a lazy girl's guide when you can do it yourself. Because they're not cheap, are they? They're quite expensive. Right. Now I'm going to go in with white chocolate again. Ignore my chair, it's squeaking. Yeah, so I won't be doing a Pan That Palette update till next month, so till August. I had to think there for a minute. August the 26th is when I'll do that. I hate this chair, it's squeaking. It's on its last leg, to be honest. I was going to get a new chair last year, but decided not to. I'm going to do a little cut crease. Let's zoom in. Now, I'm not the best at doing these, but practice makes perfect, right? This concealer's really on its last leg. There's barely anything there. I'm literally scraping the side. You can see barely any is coming onto my eye. See if we can get a bit more out. We'll try and get a bit more out now, and then I'm going to call it done. And then when I go into town next week, I'm going to get some of the Revolution, I think it's called Canvas or something like that, blank canvas. Okay. Now I'm just going to, I've just cleaned the packing brush off. I hope this works out as well as I want it to, and I want to go in with Yellow Diamond. Now if that's not pigmented, I'm going to go in with Pear Bear and mix them. But I just want to see what this looks like by itself first. Ooh, yes. I was right to do that. This is a beautiful, beautiful colour. So if you can hear the dryer in the background, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to multitask. And that really is like a yellow diamond. It's so, so bright. Okay, is there anything I can use for the inner corner? I don't think there is, not really. I could go in with Pear Bear, but it might look like the same colour. And I feel like the greens are a little bit too dark. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try Lime Fizz, this one. I've not used that one yet either. So, Try that. A pop of colour. Right, so that isn't as pigmented as the yellow diamond. But we can spritz the brush and certainly try and get more pigment. Right, what I'm going to try and do is build the pigment up. I'm going to spritz the brush with the Primark Glow Intensity Setting Spray, and I'm going to go back in with yellow diamond. Just want to see if we can get it any more pigmented and foiled, but I'll be very, very surprised if we can. This is a gorgeous shade, guys. This palette is really, really knocking my socks off, if I'm being honest. If you like yellows and greens, this palette really is for you. Obviously, if you don't, you're not going to get it. But Kimchi has also got a more neutral one out. She's got quite a few of these out. I can't remember all of them, but I know she's got a neutral one out. She's got this one out, and I was drawn to this one over the neutral. But maybe I'll even get the neutral one in time. Right, so let me go back in with the setting spray, and then we'll go in with Lime Fizz. I think I forgot to tell you the name of it. Oh yeah, that's definitely more foiled now. Whereas the other shade, the yellow diamond, wasn't. I'm fine with that though, because it's just so pigmented to begin with. Right, and then I'm going to go back in with Limoncello for the lash line, which is quite bright. Got a stonking headache today. I'm really not feeling well. I feel quite sick as well. But the show must go on. I don't, oh, it's there, right in front of me. God, it's so squeaky. Right, I'm going to go in now with the Too Faced Love Black Eyeliner to tie line with. And then we're going to go in with the Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. The problem is with this mascara is it does transfer, even when you're careful with it. Right, so I'm going to let the little flakes of mascara dry on my lid, and then we'll fix that. And I'm just going to go and grab a lippy. Okay, so I was struggling a bit with the choices of lipstick for this week, so I've just pulled this Primark matte one out. It's in the shade Velvet Touch. I'm not 100% sure it's going to go with the look, but I didn't want to go through my collection and get another one out, so we'll just pop this one on. It's not looking the best with that look. Maybe a red would have gone better, but I didn't want to put a red lipstick on because it's so bold and it would have taken away from the actual eye look. So yeah, this is what the eye look turned out like. So this is what we're looking like. It's hard to imagine, like 5 years ago I would never I've dreamt of putting greens on my eyes like this, and now it's one of my favourite combinations to use. Really loving the Kimchi Chic Mojito palette on first impressions. It's absolutely beautiful. The formula's beautiful. I had heard mixed reviews on this, and when I got it I was a little bit dubious about using it, and then I did the swatches, and the swatches look really beautiful. So yeah, from then onwards I was really looking forward to using it. But guys, this concludes the look really. I just need to pop a little bit more of Yellow Diamond where that mascara is kind of on my lids. This is kind of like a lazy girl's hack to not getting cotton buds out. So guys, this concludes the look. This is what we're looking like. It really is a stunning palette on first impressions. Well, it really is a second impression now. I'm absolutely loving it. I don't know what I'm going to use tomorrow, but we've got plenty of options here. We still haven't used that completely all over the lid, or at all actually. I've not used that at all. I was going to use it today. And we've not used the other green shimmers by themselves all over the lid, which I do want to try, so I can give you a valued review opinion when we come to do that. So yeah, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers, so we're going to be doing 5 days, 5 looks with this palette. So this is day 2, look 2, and yeah, this is the beautiful palette. I don't like the fact that it's come in cardboard, but I don't actually mind it from brands that have always done cardboard. It's when they kind of do what Colourpop have done. They did those beautiful £9 palettes in plastic, and then I've kind of reverted to doing cardboard packaging. And yeah, the cardboard packaging looks better, but it's harder to clean. So yeah, I really do like this on first impressions. That's all I've got to say at this point. So guys, thank you for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I'm currently working on a giveaway that will go up in the next month or so, and I would really love for you to be a part of it. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.